Alright, for this video, we're going to just retopo, or I should say remesh this blade to get a lower poly version. So if I hit Shift F on this blade, you can see it's really dense. I think it's 9 million points on this blade. So the first thing we're going to do is duplicate this guy. I'm going to call this new one underscore low. We're going to work on this one here. Get that framed up. Next thing we're going to do is go down to geometry. And we're going to look for remesh. Let's just try some remesh options here. Let's try it at 2. And let's see what kind of mesh it pops out for us. It's cooking up there. Give it a sec. Alright, there's our Z-remesh option. We can probably use that. Let's go back up here to our subtool. Turn on the high poly. And I think this will work. Alright, let's test it. Let me just investigate what's going on up here. See how bad that is. Nope, that's actually not terrible. So let's export this. Z plugin, FBX import export. Oops. There we are. Just visible export. We'll call this one low. We'll save it to the desktop just so nothing conflicts. And let's see here. Make sure get Substance Painter all popped up. There we go. So let's go to new. Low poly right on the desktop. So there's our new low poly. Let's see if the UVs, there's the UVs for it. It's probably not the best, but it's fine. It'll work. So now let's bake. Let's see what our baking is like now. Let's bake these mesh maps. Just bake the normal map. Let's grab our high poly. And let's see what we get. Let me zoom in here. And as you can see, let me drop some different materials on here. Whoops. Maybe a bad idea. As you can see, we get much better results on the edge there. Even the cracks here look much better. Let me see if I can do another bake. I'm going to add the ambient inclusion, and this time I'm going to bump up the subsampling to 8K, or 8x8, not 8K. And there you go. Wow. Way better. Holy crap. So that's one way you can do that. But I'm going to show one more way, which is retoppling.